Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a loss of 44.14%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.92% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically represents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $2.15 is breached, it will first indicate a stronger rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -31.64% and +195.57%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 60.68%. Based on our computations, the stock's performance could vary from 60.68% to 476.45% over the next year. In quant terms, this would imply a future price range of somewhere between $4.60 and $16.49. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock still a buy?" after falling nearly 6% on Monday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price declined by nearly 6% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, dropping from $3.04 to $2.86. This marks 5 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by over 5%, reaching a low of $2.80 and a high of $2.95. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen on 8 occasions, resulting in an overall decrease of over 18% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the risk may slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 35 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $100 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 72% or $7.49 below the 52-week high, and 82% or $13.26 below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, Inc., trading under the ticker symbol BBAI, is currently facing significant scrutiny following multiple investigations announced on the 31st of March, 2025, concerning potential violations of federal securities laws. These investigations stem from a filing with the SEC on the 18th of March, wherein BigBear disclosed a delay in submitting its annual 10K report. The law firm Levi and Korsinski has officially notified investors, urging those affected to come forward due to concerns of possible securities fraud. Similarly, the Portnoy law firm and Pomerantz LLP have begun investigations, suggesting claims that the company may have issued misleading information regarding its business operations. This series of legal actions could indicate serious underlying issues within the company's financial health, impacting investor confidence. In the short term, the heightened legal scrutiny is likely to drive BBAI's stock price down as investors react negatively to the instability and uncertainty surrounding the company. If the investigations yield significant findings against BigBear, long-term repercussions could include diminished market trust and potential financial liabilities, further depressing the stock value and possibly leading to larger legal ramifications. Investors may want to closely monitor developments as these investigations unfold, as they will play a pivotal role in determining Big Bear's future and its impact on stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was also reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The stock for BigBear.ai Holdings currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.17 and $5.04. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, leading to a decline of 70.76%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, yesterday's volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy, occurring 95 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also pointed to a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 22 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has indicated a sell signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has provided a buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 150 thousandths between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.36%. Additionally, for the past week, the average daily volatility has been 8.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings, or is currently losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents per share. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $2.97. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of March 2025, Panjayam Ultimate Holdings, LLC, conducted an insider sale of 5,150 shares of common stock. On the 25th of March 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 36,166 shares of common stock. On the 21st of March 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 18,182 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March 2025, Panjayam Ultimate Holdings, LLC, conducted an insider sale of 5,216,361 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March 2025, Panjayam Ultimate Holdings, LLC, conducted an insider sale of 2,314,872 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.876. In total, insiders purchased 4,510,799 shares and sold 117,793,155 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 1 cent and begin trading at $2.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.